Hey everyone, this is Natasha. Today I will be showing you how to do Rapunzel's braid from Tangled. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe at the end. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over my hair with a flattening iron just to make sure that the texture is a little bit smoother and there's no frizz and flyaway hairs. So I've got my brush here. Let me just brush through my hair, make sure there's no tangle. Now that I've smoothened it out a little bit, I'm just going to bring it all to the one side because I'm planning on making a braid that will start from the top and come all the way down. So my hair is quite long, you can see it if I stand up, it's up to here. Of course though, it's not Rapunzel long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding these hair pieces, which I got. They were quite cheap, it was from a children's mega store. And they were about €3.99 for each piece. They have a little ribbon which you can attach it to your hair with, and they're quite soft and silky. The hair color is not exactly the same as mine, but it is quite close, and I believe once it's braided it will look good. So I got 2 of these for extra length. I'm going to start from the top of my hair and work my way down. And first of all, I'm just going to use a few bobby pins as well too, as I need to be clipping up my hair to do so. So I'm just going to start doing random small braids on the top of my hair just to make, you know, the effect that I want. These little hair ties are really easy to use and they hold the hair really well, but I would suggest that when the time comes to take them out of your hair, if you don't want to break your hair, just have a little scissors with you and cut them out rather than pulling them out, because they will break your hair if you try to pull them out. I've plaited my hair in random plaits, one over here, one up here. They all attach to the back over here, and then I put one here and one here. So now I've got 3 plaits which I can plait together. Right about here, I'm going to now try to attach it with the first hair piece. So the hair piece has like a little clip. So I'm just going to hook that into my existing plait and then wrap it around with the actual tie a few times just to make sure it is in place. And I'm going to just tighten it well. I'm actually going to make a knot just so I know that it will not be coming out. I can already feel the weight of the hair, and it's already super long. Goes all the way down to my, well, below my waist. So now I'm going to start plaiting the actual attached piece. I'm going to try to make 3 plaits into this hair and then plait them between themselves. This way it will look closer to the continuation of my own hair, because I did a few plaits on the top of my own hair as well. Now I'm going to plait the 3 sections in between themselves. And now I'm going to attach the second piece of the hair. Again, in the same way, using this just to hook it up into the end and tie it well around the existing plait. So what I'm thinking is not plaiting it all the way down and leaving this long piece to hang. It's almost down to my knee. So now I'm going to start pulling at the braids to give them a little bit more volume and look a little bit more natural. Now it's time for decorating. In order to decorate, I have cut some flowers out because Rapunzel does have flowers in her hair. And I've got a scissors here as well, so I can cut them even shorter if necessary. So I'm just going to start adding the flowers to my hair, and I'll be using a few bobby pins just to keep them in there. For a finishing touch, I thought I would put this on the top of my hair for a little bit of sparkle. Again, I need to just put a bobby pin into it so it doesn't go anywhere. On one side and on the other. So this is my Rapunzel braid. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you had as much fun as I did. Bye bye!